A day on the beach in Florida. A beer. A routine interaction with the police. A simple fine. That's all this was ever supposed to be. So, how does this conversation end like this? This 20-year-old woman is about to be arrested, but it's not because of the alcohol. It's because of a lie. We are going to break down the precise moment where this young woman sealed her own fate. To understand, we need to set the scene. The date is September 5th, 2022. It's Labor Day in the United States, a public holiday. The location, Clearwater Beach, Florida, near the highly touristic Pier 60. In the middle of the afternoon, officers from the Clearwater Police Department are on routine patrol. This is a high-traffic area where alcohol consumption on the beach is strictly prohibited. It's in this context that they spot two women, 20-year-old Jaden and her friend Ariana. The offense is minor, possession of open alcohol containers. The interaction starts calmly. The officer's first question is a standard test. You have IDs? Their answer? No. The officer then asks for their age. Both claim to be 21. The officer isn't convinced. And this is where the fracture begins.
Oh my God.
Hello, how y'all doing?
Hi.
How's it going? You have IDs?
We don't. We're not with us.
How old are you, ladies?
I'm 21.
21? Okay.
What about you, man?
21.
Okay. You have anything with your name or anything like that?
No, I didn't bring it either.
Nothing? Nothing on your phone or anything like that?
I could double check.
Can you please?
Do you have one issued to you?
What do you mean?
Do you have like a license?
Like an ID, yeah.
Do you have a nice license out of Florida?
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Jaden.
Spell it for me.
Jadyn.
Can you pass me the high move, please?
Ariana!
Ladies, we're not
done with y'all. Where y'all going?
We're not done. Just stand by.
Okay.
No, you can't. You said what? If you want to?
Are we being under arrest?
Yeah, you guys are detained. What do you mean you can leave if you want to?
We're not being under arrest. You guys didn't say that.
You're detained right now for open alcohol. We can arrest you for just for having alcohol in your hand.
Gotcha.
We aren't going to let us go home.
Do me this favor, just stand right here.
You're saying.
Stand right here, please.
We're trying to make this more. We're not trying to.
No, alright, y'all just came and bothered us for
No, we're not bothering y'all.
We're just doing our job.
Okay.
Okay, well then we can leave. Like, that's not a problem.
Okay.
You want to give me attitude? No,
Stop. The officer mentions attitude. But make no mistake, attitude is not a crime. This physical arrest is justified right now by two legal facts. 1. Obstruction. Jaden just announced, "Well then, we can leave," and she's moving to do so. She was legally detained. Attempting to leave a detention is an offense. 2. Providing a false ID. The officer already knows the name Jamie is a lie. In Florida, that is a misdemeanor. This is no longer about the alcohol. It's about obstruction and deception. Let's resume.
Don't resist. Don't resist. Don't resist. Take off your backpack.
They're just bored.
We have a reason for you to stay, right?
It's called attitude. Attitude got you in handcuffs, honestly.
No, because we could have just left and you want to start stuff for no
You
reason.
want to learn how to be an adult real quick.
Attitude, she told you.
It's called attitude.
You can talk to me, I can talk to you. You have a right? I can walk, you don't have to grab me.
pushing.
Just don't say anything else. We don't need to talk
Stop racing and pushing yourself away. You're pushing away from me. Just right here. Stand right there. Thank you.
Please let go of me. I don't feel
Jesus,
comfortable.
Jesus Christ. $45 minutes for
You don't
ESCALATED.
Spell your first name again for me.
I don't want to. It's okay.
25 on 12, code 5, check my name. You're gonna catch 2 charges if you want to be difficult. I'm gonna let that sink in for you. You guys can literally walk out of here. We were just trying to give you guys a warning to leave.
We were trying to leave.
We were gonna give you one,
but
the thing
that.
is,
We knew we were not supposed to do this, so
hold
we're
on.
leaving.
Let me talk. Your mouth got yourself in these handcuffs.
No, it's because you guys are bored. We took the warning and we were gonna leave.
First name is Jaden, John, Adam, Delta, Yankee, Nora, middle is Diaz, and Delta. Last name is Barrera. Baker, Adam, Romeo, Edward, Romeo, Adam. Date of birth is 3/7/2001. Hispanic female.
Yes, no? No? Where are you from? You were?
Huh? I have a feeling she's too. She don't look like she's 21. But she don't want to talk, so she should catch 2 charges. I don't want to give it down.
Check David.
No, I haven't yet. No.
What's your name?
Yeah. Oh, that tells me that you're lying. And if you refuse and you give me your name, that's another charge.
I'm not lying about my name.
Okay, but the things I'm letting you know, I'm looking it up. But it's not coming back.
For you to look
So
up.
this
Why
is-
do you want me to say it again?
Jalen, how do you spell your first name?
You spelled it right.
Jadyn.
Yeah, I said that.
What's your middle initial?
I said it already.
Oh my God, why are you so difficult?
Darrera. 33611.
Gotta ask all that.
Okay, I already said it.
What's your middle name?
Doreen
Last name?
Herrera.
Date of birth?
3702.
Pause. This is a crucial psychological detail. At the very beginning, she claimed to be 21, which implied a 2001 birth year. Now, in handcuffs, she corrects that lie. She says 2002. This isn't a simple correction. It's a classic tactic called trickle truthing. Her main lie, her name, has been exposed. Her brain is in crisis management mode. She is only admitting the barest minimum she can no longer deny, while still holding a defiant posture. She isn't cooperating. She is calculating. It's this persistent resistance that is exasperating the officer. Let's resume.
It's not all one now, huh?
Okay.
45. Instead of the year 2001, it's actually 2002.
What is it? I spell
Jadyn. Middle name is D. Last name is Barrera. And she gave me a fake birthday. It's actually 2002. Jadyn. 10-4. Can you drop that in my call, please?
Go to 10. Where you at? Where you at? Can you come down to Pier 60, the south, for a transport for Filipino? Yeah, just south of the sand, literally underneath here. West
545 City. We have a patrol unit available, and we need a cage out here. We understand. Stop up here safely. Time for. We're gonna need one more. What's your
Should
name?
I at least take her car, please?
Yeah,
My
what's your
name's
name?
Ariana.
Ariana. We're gonna sit you in this car.
They're in her bag.
Which one? This one? Let's see. Watch it go. Have a seat, ma'am.
Have a seat. Jaden, I got your car with AC, so come on.
We gotta take your hat off for you, okay? I heard about that air conditioner, right?
You live with your parents?
Yeah.
What's your parents' phone number? Jaden, can I be real with you right now, or am I just gonna be wasting my breath?
I mean, you can.
I don't think you're still not taking it seriously, but to be real with you, like, go ahead, hold on. Simple. Look around. Do you really think I'm out here? How you said I was bored. Do you really think I take excitement of giving people citations for alcohol? Do you think I'm out here every single day arresting people for alcohol?
I don't know.
But
But respectfully, we were just trying to leave.
let's be like logical here. You think I'm really knowing how the world is? There's so much more important things I need to focus on, right? You and both and I can agree to that. Okay, I get what you're saying, but I'm letting you know it's a two-way conversation. I'm letting you know your information's not coming back because you lied. So how is that my fault? You lied about your birthday, so of course it's gonna come back. Hey, your information's not coming back, and then you give me attitude, and then you're telling me that you're demanding to leave. I'm like, no, that's not how it
I
works.
wasn't demanding to leave. I said we were trying to leave.
But that's not
we
how it
weren't trying to
works.
start anything.
That's not how it works.
We were just trying to take the warning and just go home.
Exactly. If you were to give me the right birthday from the get-go, none of this, you would have not been in handcuffs. And our interaction would have been totally different. You would have probably stayed on the beach, honestly.
I understand.
Okay. So whose phone number is this?
My mom,
Your mother? What's her name?
Jill.
Jill?
I'll turn it and try to take it. There we go.
This video is a perfect case study in panic management. Jaden panicked over a minor infraction and made a series of decisions that exponentially worsened her situation. She bet everything on a lie and lost it all. But that's my analysis, breaking down the footage. What I'm interested in now is your perception. Do you agree with the officer that this was a necessary lesson about attitude and consequences? Or do you feel his reaction to the initial lie was a disproportional escalation? The real question might be this: if you were in Jaden's shoes, panicking, what was the best moment to de-escalate? Right at the first question about her age? Or only after she was in cuffs? I am curious to read your analysis. Let's meet in the comments to debate it. If this breakdown helped you see what others don't, subscribe so you don't miss the next case study. This was yours truly. Stay safe and keep a sharp eye.